How to fix YouTube app crashing on startup. Firstly, restart your device. Restarting your device clears temporary glitches that may cause crashes. If you're having problem with any of this specific app, then go to settings and scroll down. Now select the option apps. Inside apps, find the app that you're looking for and click on it to open app info. Inside app info, at the very bottom panel, click on the option force stop. After enabling this option, go back to your home page and try opening the app again. This time the app should open normally. But if you are still facing problems, then follow these further steps. Navigate to the YouTube app and again tap and hold on it and click on the eye icon. Then you will land to app info. Inside app info, scroll down and click on storage. Now select clear cache to clear any of the cache that may be available. Now on your device, navigate to App Store or Play Store and search for the YouTube app. If you see any kind of updates available, then make sure to update the app. Also, make sure that you check for any kind of software updates that may be available for your own system. You can check for system updates on your settings. That's all for today. Thank you.